Hello everyone and welcome to the Practical English brand. In this video, I have the intention to share all of my experience with you guys. If you are a YouTuber, you know how hard it is to hit the first 1,000 subscribers. I'm pretty sure that you see a lot of beautiful thumbnails and talking about how to improve, how to promote your YouTube channel. You click on them, you go and you hear the same stuff. A good thumbnail, good editing, good description, a lot of keywords and stuff like that. You do all of these, but it still doesn't work. So stay with me. I'm going to share a lot of major points with you about how to promote your YouTube channel. I know there are thousands of channels which are specifically made for this purpose to guide you how to promote your YouTube channel, but they usually break down this kind of topic into small portions, and they're trying to make like 10 to 20 videos in order to make money. Since my channel is not specifically for that purpose and it's about teaching the English language, I've collected all of these major points about how to promote your channel. So you may not be able to find each and everything in one video. I'm pretty sure about that. So let's begin with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is very kind and merciful. So I've divided these tips into two parts. The first part, if you can afford to spend some money in order to promote your YouTube channel. And the second part is how you can do that for free. So first I'm going to talk about spending some money, because you want to make money, you want to be able to make a lot of money in the future. So therefore, if this is the best way, according to my experience, if you spend money in order to promote your channel, that's the best way. But if you cannot afford spending money, then later on I'm going to talk to you about some free ways as well, how to promote your YouTube channel. So the first thing that I've used, and I want to share my experience with you, is the vidIQ application. It's YouTube certified, it's reliable, but the thing is that it just gives you a lot of instructions, how to promote your YouTube channel. Actually, it doesn't kind of it doesn't like sponsor your videos, or it doesn't just bring you a lot of views or subscribers, but it just gives you the instructions. If you have a lot of free time, you can use it, but this is my experience, like you gotta pay like $10 per month in order to receive some kind of instructions. But still, I mean, they won't give you a lot of instructions, like a small portion of it, and they will be asking you to spend more money, like $50 per month. Then they may give you some more instructions, but it needs a lot of free time. So you spend money in, you got to spend a lot of time on how to promote your channel. And instead of spending money, you can just go and watch a lot of videos which gives you the kind of instructions. So no need to use a vidIQ application or YouTube Body, the same thing. But the best way, if you want to spend money, is Google Ads. I've experienced that really brings you a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. So now I'm not gonna give you the entire instruction about how to use Google Ads. I just want to tell you that do some research about it. There are a lot of great videos about showing you how to use Google Ads, but it really works. I mean. So just write to the search box, in the search box, that how I can use Google Ads for promoting my YouTube channel, and there are like different ways. So there's one way which is really useful for promoting your YouTube channel, which can bring you a lot of subscribers. So that's the best way. If you spend a few $100s, if you can afford it, you can quickly hit the first 1,000 subscribers, and you can complete the 4,000 hours of watch time. And now, if you cannot afford to spend money in order to promote your YouTube channel, there are some free ways as well. Okay, and I've experienced these ways, and I'm going to tell you which is the proper way, and which is good and which is bad. Okay, what you should do and what you should avoid doing, okay, while using these ways. So there are some apps that you can download, sub for sub, view for view. I mean, there are too many, but a few of them really work, and you gotta find out for yourself which ones work better for you. But try not to use sub for sub. Why? Because in the future it may not be good for your channel, because those people will just subscribe for now, and soon after a few days they may unsubscribe. So you may lose all these subscribers that you have spent a lot of time, that you have, you know, that you have achieved. I mean, the subscribers. But view for view, it's okay, because once they see your video, of course, I mean, it's not like that they can just go back and they just can do something in order to unsubscribe or something. So view for view, according to my experience, is good. And I mean, it gives you some kind of options, like let's say you promote one video there on that application, and it said like 50, like for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 2 minutes, okay? So how many people, like, how many views and for how many minutes? So the best idea is to choose the lowest number. Like, let's say, for example, instead of 100 people, 20 people, but instead of 2 minutes, 10 minutes. So that way, I mean, the algorithm will show your videos to more people. So that's one point. Point number two, there are some supporting groups on Facebook. If you write in the search box of Facebook, like YouTube supporting groups or sub for subgroups, so there are like millions of people in those groups, okay? And they support one another in order to promote their YouTube channels. You can just go there and you can get in touch with those people. They ask you to subscribe to their channel and you can ask them. So they do that turn by turn. Let's say there are like 1,000 people and all of them at once want to watch your videos or they want to subscribe to your videos. So it's also a good point. This way you can quickly hit the 1,000 subscribers. The next point, the next way is try to share the link of your YouTube with your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook Messenger, okay, on any other apps, Instagram, I mean, any other places, okay. And that's also a good idea, but ask your friends to watch your videos at least for a few minutes. It's not like they just click on it and they just watch it for a few seconds and then leave it, because that is very bad for the channel. And the next point is that share the link in related groups on Facebook. Keep in mind that when you want to share the link of a YouTube channel, you should share it in related groups, like whatever your channel is about. For example, if it's an English teaching channel, there are groups, okay, related groups on YouTube. You should share your link there. If it's about cooking, so you should find the kind of groups which are related to your, channel. If, for example, if it's let's say, your channel is about, pranks, or if it's about cooking, or if it's about like sightseeing or whatever that is, just try to find the related groups and then share your link. Do not share your link in the groups which are not related to your channel, because it will be bad, it will be harmful for your channel in the future. And the last point, I would say, comment on other YouTubers, big YouTubers videos, which are again related to the kind of videos that you make, the kind of content that you make, okay? So keep in mind that whenever you comment, it should be from the Google account that you use for YouTube channel, okay? So they see your, the name of your channel over there, and some people may click on it and they may go, and if they like your content and they like, your channel, they may subscribe to your channel and they may keep watching your videos. So that's also a good tip. Try not to comment on the videos which are not related to the content that you make, okay? So this way you can quickly promote your YouTube channel, and don't give up. Be patient. I know it's extremely hard. I mean, at the beginning, I mean, like, you know, you work hard and you make very good content, you make very good thumbnails, good editing and everything. And then you still see like 10 to 15 views and I mean, a little bit of, you know, watch time, and you become kind of disappointed. I know that, but you need to constantly, you know, upload your content, upload your videos, and be patient and don't give up. I mean, if millions of people were able to make it, you can do it too. But it needs a lot of patience, it needs a lot of hard work. And I hope that the points that I talked to you about will be useful for you to promote your YouTube channel. Have a great time for now, and bye bye.